You can't kill me while I'm awake.
Jeez, Ellie, it was an accident. I'm sorry.
Bullshit, you're sorry. People are dying out there, Chris. Families have been split apart. We've seen homes blown to pieces. Yet you're up here having a fucking vacation. So go on. Don't wait for me to fall asleep. Buck up. Be a man. Look me in the eye and pull the trigger.
Please. What are you doing?
Do you know what the penalty is for falling asleep to your post?
Oh, don't.
Do you know what they used to do?
No, Ellie. Ellie!
He risked all of our lives.
Ellie. It's Chris. It's just Chris.
By crikey, he's eating the mouse. Check out my pimp chain. Oh, hang on. Still pimp chain on there. About got him down, boys.
How long have I been asleep?
Little tail left.
About 16 hours.
And there he goes, boys. There he goes.
How's Chris?
Freshly eaten
Still
mouse.
pretty shaky. You gave him a hell
My
of a
new
fight,
name. That's right. Okay, now we're going to feed it mouse number 2. Which one of these little bastards needs to eat?
But you've hardly spoken to me since then.
Just confused.
About me?
Yeah, about you, about us, about this war. About this mess that we found ourselves in.
Yeah, you still hungry. Look, he sees them.
Half the
He
time,
knows.
I have no idea what
Feed
I'm
me.
doing. So then I do these things and they don't always mean what I think they mean. Do you know what I mean?
Okay, buddy.
There
There you go.
3. We can go out there at night, guerrilla style, using hit and run tactics, and take back real win.
Oh, lordy.
Yeah, too right.
Oh, lordy,
When we were
look.
born here, we know this country better than they do. We can
He's
use that to our
scared.
advantage. We plant traps, ambush them, pick them off.
Alright, you're talking about murder.
Stop if it's in a war.
About the Bible, thou shalt not
Where's
kill.
the
What about
snake?
that?
David killed Goliath.
Jeez.
That doesn't apply in a situation that is a metaphor for...
Do you think it's fair, do you?
No.
Just let them walk in, take everything they want, everything that our parents have worked so hard for.
Oh,
No,
we
Kevin, I don't
missed
think
him.
it's fair.
Get him,
I don't
boy.
think it's fair at all.
Are you in or are you out?
You got him right there. Oh, he's a jumper. He's a jumper.
I can't stop thinking about the coincidence that
Oh, he got him.
chance that we could have chosen to have gone camping. We chose that.
He got him.
God spared us for a reason. And I think he wants us to do something. So I will help
Oh,
you, Homer.
look at his
But
little tail twitching.
I'm not going to murder anybody. All this
Oh,
talk
there's a
still needs to be
headshot.
answered. I think we have to fight back anyway.
Oh.
We'll never sleep again if we don't.
We'll never sleep again if we're dead. Chicken Chris.
That's nature, people. That's nature.
There's nothing chicken about staying alive, mate. I mean, we're not
We'll
even
come
trained
back to
for
this in a
stuff.
minute.
Yeah.
And there's the scorpion. Would feed him, but he's not gonna eat right now.
I have blood on my hands.
He's got a
I
nice
can't
little
tell
home there.
what I did was right or wrong. I like to think it was
Looks like the tail quit
save my
wiggling.
friends
It's about eat
or
time.
part of some noble crusade.
By
to save the
crikey,
country.
it's a bloody scorpion.
Just comes down to the fact
The
that I
bloody
value my
snake
life
eating a
over theirs.
mouse. By
How many people would
crikey.
it take to kill it?
Scorpion's freaking out. He don't like it. Oh, there's a cricket. He still ain't ate that cricket.
So what are we gonna do? Blow it up? Cobbler's Bay is one of their key ports. This bridge is the only way in out.
It's the key to everything. They can't resupply their soldiers if they can't fight.
We've got sentries.
We'll have to find a way to distract them.
Remember what Dr. Clement said?
He don't
I
paint
know
hard.
we tried to blow up that bridge before.
Oh, he shot me.
A couple of years ago.
Let's put his house back.
Just for fun.
That's hardly reassuring you.
He's agitated now. Beautiful creature, beautiful. Still squeezing that snake crap. Rat. Let's see if we can find this snake. He stays under the sand. Probably under the rock. Yep, yep. Here's a sand boa. He ain't looking too pretty right now. But see, he'll probably straight bury himself right away. Stays under the sand. What are you gonna do, buddy? Go back. Try to shine a little light on him. Yeah, he's pretty. He's eating again. Oh yeah. There's the hermit crab. Doubt he'll come out. He's in there though.
Guys, you there? We're all set, we can see you. Don't come any closer. Right there.
Liam, they're almost there.
Okay. Position 2. I can see. 10 soldiers on the bridge.
We've only got about 15 minutes before the next
Oh yeah.
We'll call you when we're ready.
Okay, honey, we'll be waiting. Did you just call him honey? Homer? Of course, Homer, no, you just called him honey, didn't
Is he going to eat it all? Of course he is.
Like honey, I definitely said Homer.
Go. You gotta hiss like a snake. Hiss. 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 No, like a snake.
So, Princess Fifi has the hots for Russians and guts for Homer.
Oh look, yeah, hermit crab is moving now. He's realized he's not in his home. Let's take you back to hermit crab land. He likes his little corner. Got another in here, but Let's do one last check on the mouse. Oh yeah, look, nuts and all. Nuts and all. Some big old nuts for a mouse. Oh, he's about got her down. To get past them back hips, it's all gravy. And that's me feeding my snake and filming it because I'm bored. La 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 la.